So I think it's all about accuracy and cost, but also willingness. Like when they develop a train with steam engine, people say they would never work, they're too expensive and too toxic, but at the end of the day, no one is using carriage anymore, right? So I think it's all about what's gonna be and how long will it take to get there. So whole genome sequencing is a research tool. We have surrogates that can capture some of the features that whole genome sequencing can provide, like targeted panel, and other cannot be captured. So we need studies to compare how many patients would misclassified using a targeted versus a whole genome. I consider FISH a carriage pushed by horses of the 19th centuries, 18th centuries. So that's old technology, and some groups already, cut it out. So we need to move forward. The expensiveness, I think, is an excuse because the cost of a FISH is actually higher than the targeted panel and equivalent to a whole genome. Now the problem are the infrastructure. Like hospitals, in particular across like Europe and US, are not yet equipped for large-scale targeted panel sequencing. So it's about a revolution. Like 20 years ago, we didn't have internet in the hospital. Now, without internet, hospitals don't work. All right. So at a certain point, we will have to just face the reality that the field is moving forward and technology needs to be updated, and we have to do it. Some groups have already done it very, proactively. Others are pushing back, but it's inevitable.